Unresolved help desk requests, delayed access provisioning, and unaddressed security alerts quickly compound into revenue bottlenecks, blocked workflows, and heightened cybersecurity exposure. Gertie Simi, founder and principal architect at 917 Solutions, captures the core operational mandate. The work is not just closing tickets, it is keeping the next approval, access change, vendor handoff, and security response moving without making the client chase. With 69% of organizations reporting a significant skill gap in managing cloud applications proficiently, relying on unconfigured tools without dedicated oversight leads to licensing waste, unchecked application sprawl, and operational friction. Effective managed services require end-to-end accountability across ticket handoffs, automated approval chains, proactive threat containment, and structured project runbooks for cloud migrations or system rollouts. Establishing clear ownership across every layer of IT management ensures that users, vendors, and technicians maintain seamless alignment while protecting business continuity. Read the full article to optimize your operational support model and add this to your Spotify playlist.